And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 85. Let me show you how you can align text. Activate the text to tease short key, type something in. I'll just create a simple example here of a couple of lines, let's say 4. And you can directly see by default is aligned to the left. So all of the lines start on the left hand side. And if you want to change that, you have to reactivate this tool, left click on the text, Ctrl A to select it all. But you cannot find it in the box above. You have to use the two options. And if you can't see them at all, just go to Windows. They should find them under dockable dialogs. And under Tools, you will find the text tool again, just if you can't see it in your toolbox. And here is a Justify option. Once again, my text is selected and therefore I can adjust this here in real time. Doesn't matter what font you've got, what size you've got, what color. All of this doesn't play a role. The justification still works left, right, center. And then this block text. One more thing to add though is you cannot just, for example, select here the second and a third line and give that a different justification as the other ones. Let me just select the top one, some text, and I want to put it to the right. Everything will move to the right. So if you want to have a text that has a variation with this alignment, you have to create more than one text element, and then you can give each element a different alignment. And this is how you can align text in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.